In this video, let's talk about how to enable SSL/TSL encryption and HTTPS security in CloudFlare. During the process to add in your domain name onto CloudFlare, you should have been prompted to enable your website's security. Watch our tutorial on how to add your domain name to CloudFlare for the full, complete walkthrough. If you skipped that step, or if it did not show up in your process for whatever reason, you can still enable the security after you have already added in your domain name. In the dashboard of your particular site, you will see the overview page. On the top, you will see the list of features menu for the options you can activate for your domain name. Find SSL/TLS and click on it. In the overview page of this section, you now have the option to toggle your SSL/TLS encryption mode. It is recommended that you set this to full. To turn on your HTTPS, click on Edge Certificates. Scroll down to Always Use HTTPS and make sure that this option is toggled on. Your website is now secure.